Okay, are you guys able to hear me now? Because I'm not using the headset, I'm directly in the speaker one.
Raj, we don't receive yesterday's class.
Sorry?
Did you send the yesterday recorded class?
Actually, Ram is taking care. Ram said he will be sending all the recording class, so I shared all the videos to Ram. So I will check with Ram and
Oh,
will let you know. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So the videos are ఆ మెయిల్లోనే రికార్డింగ్ వీడియోస్ ఉందా లేదా ఓకే ఫైన్ so yesterday's class we did some integration we did object learning and excel. We integrated both this object learning and Excel. We integrated this object learning and Excel. Okay. Apart from all these above commands, we use a couple of new commands as well, right? Apart from all these commands, we use a couple of new commands as well. Okay. Let me list out those. Let me list out those first. Let me list out those. Okay. So in the process of this, yeah, in a process of this integration, we use a couple of new commands as well. So one would be the web recorder. In web recorder, we use navigate browser, right? We use navigate browser. Where is that? In web recorder, let me open this again. Object learning, right? Okay. So we use navigate URL in a web recorder. This is the one command we used in a web recorder. We use navigate URL. Okay. So why we are using this navigate URL to navigate the navigate to particular URL. I mean go back to particular URL or something like that, right? So for that purpose we use this navigate URL command. Apart from all above, apart from all above, apart from all above commands, this is the one new command yesterday we used. Okay. Apart from that, what else we used? Yeah, we used variable operation. Okay, we used variable operation. We used variable operation. The second command would be variable operation. So why we are using variable operation? To assign some value to a variable. Okay, if you want to assign some value to a variable, we go for variable operation. So in this case, see, we assigned counter value to user counter. We created a variable called user counter. For user counter, we assigned some value called a counter, and we incrementing that value. Okay, in this step, we are incrementing that value by 1. Right. So for that purpose, we went with this, variable operation. Okay, variable operation. Apart from that, system variables.
Can you scroll down the screen? You can't see what you're typing.
Sorry, Ramesh,
Can you scroll? Can you scroll down? We can't see what you're typing.
is that fine now?
Okay. Yeah, fine, fine. Yeah.
The system variable. So apart from commands, we use couple of system variable as well, right? Apart from command, we used some system variable as well. Okay, we use some system variable as well. System variable in sense what are the already existing variable. Okay, system variable in sense what is what by default tool is giving. Fine. One among those system variable is Excel column of. Okay, so already we discussed this one yesterday's thing. Excel column one is one of the system variable. Fine. One of the system variable is Excel column of some index. Excel column of some index. That is one system variable. I already told you what is this index holds. It's a column number. Okay, first column, second column, whatever column you want to get the data. So that column you mention in the index place, right? It might be 1, 2, 3. So it should be an integer value. Fine. That is one thing. Then we saw counter as well. Okay. We used counter variable as well. Okay. We used counter variable as well. Okay. Counter variable. This counter variable increment by one. It will increment by one. You no need to write a logic for that. Okay. It will increment by one. But as per our requirement, the counter should start from 2. That's why we added as a 2 for it. Okay, initially we added 2 for it. So that is one thing. And what else we used apart from this? Fine. Okay. So everything is good now. So these are the few new commands or few new steps we did for to integrate this object learning and Excel operations. Okay, integrate this object learning and Excel. So this is again apart from the above commands. These are the new commands again we added yesterday's class. Fine. Now, so we'll go back to that first class picture. We'll go back to that first day we draw one picture. Right? We'll try to go back to that. So actually I should have saved this one. So yeah.
So in this version we are using object learning.
Right.
But in previous version we don't have an object learning.
Right.
How can we get all this in the
See, previous version, that is a trial version. Usually, when you go for even license version for 9.0, you will be having object learning.
okay.
But that is a trial version, so he didn't give you all the features actually.
So for practice purpose, do we have other options to use this command?
You can go with even we don't have web recorder, I guess. If you don't have it, you have okay. Then if that is the case, you can go with web recorder, or you can go with manage window control.
Manage it.
Yeah, that is one thing. Manage window control. But manage window control, why we are not going with manage window control is because it captures the object based on the XY coordinates. It captures the object based on XY coordinates. If the resolution got changed, then it will fail. Okay. We'll see the management of control exercise once. I mean, we'll try to do one use case on management of control, exclusive on management of control. How it works. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go back to the picture. The very first day, we identify what are the scenarios or what are the real what are the real time scenarios we'll come across. So so this is the part where I said this is the Excel one. I said this is the Excel one. This is Excel. This is application. This is the application. It might be web or Windows. This would be the PDF. This would be the PDF. This is the PDF. So we done with this part. We done with this part. Okay. We done with this part. This part we done with this part. This part is done. We are able to get the data from Excel. We are able to put it in application, and whatever the application is giving the returns, I mean, what are the result of the application is giving, and we are setting back to the Excel. So this part is done. Okay. Now we have something called as PDF. Okay. How to get a data from PDF file. Okay. How to get a data from PDF file and how to set to web application. So anyhow, we know how to set to web application. Now in this exercise, we won't go for web application. What we'll do is, we'll set a data to Excel sheets. Okay, we'll read a data from PDF and we'll set a data to Excel file. Fine, we'll set a data to Excel file. That is nothing but a file to file communication. Fine, file to file communication. So what we'll try to do is this flow. We'll try to do this flow. We'll try to do this flow. We'll try to do this flow. From PDF to we'll put a data in Excel. Okay. From PDF to we'll put a data in Excel. So we'll try to concentrate on this one. Fine. Anyhow, we know how to punch a data to. See, getting the data is might be different, but putting the data to web application, it might be Excel, it might be PDF. The things will be the same, right? The data we are putting in the web application. So that one we already know. So we'll try to do in a different way. We'll try to get a data from PDF and we'll set it to Excel file. Fine. Right. Let me save this one actually. So now, we now with the target in front of us is to we need to read the PDF data. So how can we read the PDF data? Fine. Working with PDF files. Okay. Oh, okay. Working with PDF file. So in this case, working with PDF file, the target is to get a data from PDF file. The first step is to get a data from PDF file. So before this, we need to identify what PDF file is that. I mean to say, there are two types of PDF files. One is image PDF, one is text PDF. Okay, one is image PDF, one is text PDF. Okay, first we need to identify pre-checks. Pre-checks. In pre-checks, what we'll do? In pre-checks, what we'll do? Identify, find, find out, find out which type of PDF is that. So we need to find out which type of PDF is that. So what I mean to say is there are two types of PDF. One is text PDF, other one is image PDF. Image PDF, text PDF, image PDF. So we need to figure out exactly what type of PDF is that. Text PDF and image PDF. There are two types, text PDF and image PDF. So how can you figure out, how can you say is a text PDF or image PDF? Yeah. If the PDF can be copied to any one of the file, then it is a text PDF. If PDF cannot be copied, then it is a image PDF, right? So let me. Sorry, oh, you don't have this Acrobat, this one reader. I'll just. Well, what is the software exactly? Huh? Adobe. AB. ADO. This is on right. Can I do this? This one. Okay. So, so if we copy the PDF data, then it is a text PDF. If we are not able to copy the PDF data, then it is a image PDF. Okay. Let me install this one. Yeah. This one, right? We download. Where is the link? This one? Oh, very slow. Yes. I can see someone with name Pritam. May I know who is this? Pritam, just join. So okay, so by the time we can discuss this one. So if it is an image PDF, so we can straight on say no for the automation. Okay, we can't automate the image PDF one. Okay, still we have some approach to do that, but it is not not safe or not good to go for image automation, image PDF automation. Yeah,
Extruded on copy paste loss.
right.
How can we
In text PDF, you can't copy paste the. You can't copy paste the text. You mean to say? No, no, we can copy the text.
Raj,
Yes,
hello.
Ramesh, yeah. Ramesh,
We can't hear you properly. Voice is breaking.
okay, okay. Let me put the headset down. Yeah,
You cannot.
yeah. One second, one second. Yeah, I hope now it will fine. It will be fine, I guess. Is that okay, Ramesh? Now, see the internet connection is not so strong. Is
Still
that
have
fine,
problem.
Ramesh? Oh, sorry.
Now somewhat is good. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So we are talking about the image PDF. We are talking about the image PDF. When times comes, I mean, when the PDF is image, then you can straight on say no for that. You can't. You can say we can't automate the image PDF. Okay. So anyhow, that call will be taken by someone else. It won't come to your bracket actually. So, but still, the just for your idea sake, you can say the image PDF you can't automate. Okay. Yeah, that OCR works only for capturing the particular window or capturing the particular part of the that thing. We'll show you one second. For particular window or particular area, a particular image. So if you see the option, capture window, capture area, capture image path.
Raj, still we have a problem. We can't hear you continuously, Raj. Hello,
Yeah, got it. Uh, but I
hello,
think
Raj.
yes, Ramesh. Ramesh, it might be the network issue.
You better to ask others also. We have
Yeah,
the same problem. Yeah.
yeah. The online based, yours, the others also facing the
We
same
have
thing.
to say we have also facing same problem.
Okay.
We're also facing same problem, Rashekar.
Yeah, the point is, I'm sorry to say, the point is it might be the network issue. So I changed the PC, I mean system, I changed the headset. So what are the hardware possibilities can be changed, I did, but it might be the network issue now. So yeah. So can you hear me? And okay, the OCR, if you see the OCR option, only these are the options we have. We don't have the option for reading the PDF or kind of stuff, right? Uh, Fine. Yeah, Kiran, what was your question? So we can't copy the. So I think she answered. Are you okay? Okay, fine. Yeah. So we will say no for the PF images. We say no for the no automation. No for no automation. If the PDF is image PDF, we say no for this thing. But still we have the alternative. Still we can do something for that. But it all it will be it will be on the architect level calls. So if they want to, it should be architect level call, and it should be a client agreement. If they say okay, whatever the approach we follow, I'm good with that. Then only we go for that PDF integration, PDF this reading. Fine. So we left with one thing is text PDFs. So we say no for it, no for the PDF. Now we left with text one. Okay. We left with text one. So again inside the text one, we have two types of again PDFs. One is a structured PDF, one is unstructured PDF. One is structured PDF, one is unstructured PDF. Okay. One is structured PDF. Another one is unstructured PDF. One is structured PDF and one is unstructured PDF. So for structured PDF and unstructured PDF, both we can do automation, but approaches would be the different. So you need to identify whether it is a structured PDF or unstructured PDF. Based on that, you need to plan your designing, right? Plan your the coding designing. Okay. So for structured PDF, there is some approach. For unstructured PDF, is some other approach is there. Fine. So very simple structured PDF is very pretty simple. You can easily do this. But unstructured PDF, you need to do a lot of workarounds. I mean, you need to do a lot of string operation. You need to do a lot of you need to include a lot of logics over there. Fine. So this is one thing. So we'll slowly look into each and every PDF, every kind of PDF, and we'll try to do one use case on each and every PDF kind of PDF type of PDF. Okay. Uh, uh, what happened this? Okay, still is 50%. Uh, so um, yes. Which one? No, no. See, how to identify the structured PDF, unstructured PDF is for structured PDF, it will look like a tabular format. However, you won't see the table, but it look like a key value format. Okay, there would be one column say name. After that, the particular individual name. There would be something called as phone number. The adjacent to that, there would be some phone number. Okay, so if you see that, it would be like tabular format. It will be like tabular format or key value format. Fine, key value format. So that is a structured PDF. So if you see it, okay, there is some particular like left side is the columns and right side is the values. If you see, might be multiple tables, but each table, but the overall picture looks like a tabular format. Okay, so that's why once this got installed, then I can show you what exactly the structured PDF looks like. or else I will download one PDF file. That would be very easy. I'll download one PDF file. I'll download one PDF file, structure PDF file.
PDF files, they don't exist. See,
But we can't open, right? Because we don't have this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Where is that?
fine. Right. Right side. First last to right side.
My computers. Then from here. Oh. But okay, it will open in a browser, right? It will open in a browser. Okay, let me open that as well then. Otherwise, I can open my PDF also then. Yeah, it got installed. Fine. So let me show you how the structured PDFs looks like. Let me show you how the structured PDFs look like. Uh, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it will look. Okay. This is how it will look. Reduce this thing. If you see here, if you see here, it's like a key value pair, right? Contact number, card number, or this column is a this see if you see here bill date, okay, bill date, bill number. If you see here, this like looks like a tabular format or key value format or column row format, right? So if you see that this is a tabular format, and this is a table actually, but background you can't see the see, you see the key value pair, key value pair, and this is again the tabular format. So if you see this kind of PDFs, then it is a structured PDF. When you see some key, and with respect to the key, there should be some value. Okay. So as I said, this is a text PDF. Let me copy this one. Let me copy this one. So are we able to copy or not? Just I want to check whether we are able to copy or not. I will open in some notepad. Okay. I'll put it over here only. So see. So I'm able to copy that one. I'm able to copy that one. So we came to conclusion that this is a text PDF and this is a structured PDF. Okay. Now we ready to work on that. Right. So this is a structured PDF and also it's a text PDF. Right. Now
Structured PDF does not copy.
no, we can copy in unstructured PDF also, but it should be like paragraph kind of stuff. We really we can't say the value of that location. I mean, whatever the value we want to fetch, right? That location we can't say. Okay. So that is the case in unstructured PDF. I will show you unstructured PDF once. So let me finish the structured PDF, then we can do on one unstructured PDF. Right? Okay. So now, figure out the key. This is a structured PDF. This is a structured with text and structured PDF. Okay. Now, the point is we need to get the data from the structured PDF. Okay. We need to get a data from or read a data from structured PDF. Okay. Now, okay. Now we need to get the data of this data from a text PDF of structured one, right? Text PDF of structured one. So this is the one we try to figure out. So this is the one we are trying to figure out. Okay. So for that, to do this operation, we have something called as PDF integrator. We have command called as PDF integrator. Okay. To do this operation, the command PDF integrator. Okay, the command call is PDF integrator. Let me show you. So here it is. PDF integration. PDF integration. PDF, PDF integration. Fine. So this is a command we use to read a PDF data. Okay. This is a command we used to use. We used to read a PDF data. Right. So
So this is for both structure and unstructured PDF.
yeah. So this approach is for only structure one. This approach is for structure one. For unstructured, we need to figure out. I mean, I will show you how it is possible. Okay. So let me put till structure one as of now. Once we clear with the structure period, then we go slowly to the unstructured one. Fine. We don't want to mix both. Okay. We'll separate it and we'll do the logic accordingly. Fine. So this is one. So command used is PDF integrator. So this is a command we use for PDF integrator. PDF integrator to get a data from PDF file. Okay. Right. So let's create a scenario. Step one. Step one. First we need to open a PDF file. Open a PDF file. Okay. First we need to open a PDF file. Okay. After opening a PDF file, we need to figure out what are the fields you want to extract. What are the fields you want to get. Okay. Okay, what are the fields you want to get? Just please list out those fields. Okay. Then what we say is display. Then we say display or using a message box, or you can put it in some text box or whatever you want to do. We'll do that. Fine. So these are the few simple steps to read a data from PDF file. Okay. Let's go get into the code. So new. Okay, new. So this is a PDF integrator. So we have something called as extract form fields. Okay, extract form fields. Okay, extract form fields. So we have something called as extract form fields. We'll drag and drop. We'll drag and drop because if you see here, it's like a field value column. Okay, field value column. It's like a field value format. So that's why we are going for extract form field. That's why I said for this one approach is there. For unstructured, one approach is there. We don't have fields in that approach. No, in unstructured one we don't have something called as fields. We have direct flat data. Okay, flat data. But here we have field and column. We have field and column. Fine. So that's why we say extract form field. That's why we pick the command called extract form field. Okay. Uh, 1 second. So extract form field. Now, when I drag and drop this one, it's asking for the PDF name. First, on which PDF you want to get a data, or on which PDF you want to work, right? So browse it. I have something called as PDF file. So I'm selecting this file. Okay, I'm selecting this file. Open. Okay, I open. Right? So if you want to pass a password, if the PDF is protected, so you can pass that password. Okay, if PDF is not protected, just leave it. The owner password, any idea? So yeah, I'm trying to find this. What is exactly this owner password? As of now, just we'll hold on this. Okay. Once I get the information on this, I'll let you know. Right. So as of the password is something. If the PDF is protected one, then you can pass this password over here. I can open it. Right. Right.
As that we can provide as our
No, no. If the PDF which is you are opening, it asking for some password, so that password you can give here. Okay. Like yeah. So is that clear? It's clear, right? Fine. So after this, what we say is insert fields. I told you, right? We need to list what are the fields we want to capture. So we need to insert those fields. I mean to say we are capturing that fields. Okay. Before that, we need to do one thing. Before that, we need to do one thing. We'll do one thing. We'll try to find out the fields which we want to. We try to list the fields which we want to capture. Fields list. Fields list. So we'll try to list the fields which we want to capture. Okay. Okay. What we take is we take this address. Okay. One field can be address. We can capture address. Fine. One is address. One is address, and one can be capture is this part will go. Build date will go for build date. Yeah. Build date. Third one is the bill number. Bill number. What is bill? Bill account number, right? We go for that. Bill. Bill account number. Fine. This is one field we'll try to capture. Or we go for this total amount also. Total currency charge or total amount. Okay, we'll capture this as well. Fine. We'll say bill amount. We'll say bill amount. Okay. We'll try to capture these 5 fields as of now. We'll try to capture these 5 fields from the this PDF. So when I capture it, we need to have some variables to store that, right? We need to have some variables to store that. So what I will do is we'll create a variable. We'll create a 5 variables, 5 user variables. Okay. One variable would be the address variable. Okay. Now I'm creating the variables. I'm creating the variables. Add. We are starting with V. Fine. This is address one variable I created. Address one variable. The one variable is bill date. I created a bill date. And no spaces. No spaces while creating. Start with the camel case. Fine. We are following those AA standards actually. Okay. We are strictly following those AA standards. Tool standards. Bill date, bill number. So the same thing. Bill number. So all the variables we are creating that would be added over here. Fine. That would be added over here. Amount. Amount. Okay. So it should be camel case. Should be camel case. A should be cap. Yeah, A should be cap. And N should be amount. So bill number it is. It's a bill number. Sorry. And bill amount. It's a bill amount.
So naming can be anything or specified in that or
Naming can be anything, but the best practice is there should be a there should be some naming conventions. Naming conventions is if you read that variable name, then you need to identify what exactly that variable holds. So that is how we need to give the names. Even the file names, even the variable names, even the robo names also you should be giving those names actually. You can give any name, but it should be sensible, right? If you see the name, it should you can. Okay, we'll browse it. This is the area where we are doing before. We'll say PDF integrator. PDF integration. PDF integration. PDF integration. Okay, so we'll do the same thing now. Extract form field. Extract form field. Browse the PDF you want to integrate or you want to get the data. This is the PDF. So we have something called as add. There's something called as add insert variables or add variables or add fields. So see the PDF which we said to open. So it got navigated to that PDF. Okay. Now we need to capture each and every component. So first thing is address, right? Just go here, select that part, then left click, add field, add field. So you can review it. You can review it whether you capture the right one or not. You can see here, right? You can see here. Okay. You can cross check here. Fine. Just give a field name. Field name can be anything. Field name can be anything. So we'll give the same. We'll follow the same things. Whatever we fixed it. So we follow this one. And just field name can be anything. You can give anything field name. And here, after capturing, where you want to put this value? Yeah, where you want to put this value. So we have some variable called address, right? So we'll keep it as address variable. Right? Clear? So next thing is we want to capture this value, bill number, bill date. We'll capture this bill date. The same thing, you can do the same thing. Add, check, left click. Okay, after selecting, press left click. You'll be having a pop-up called saying add it, add field, it will add. Okay. So what is this bill date, right? This is bill date. So we assign to a variable called bill date. Bill date. Okay. Then similarly, this one bill number. Okay. Okay, we'll zoom it. We'll zoom it because we are facing issue to capture. We can zoom it. Okay, now we can capture. Now we can capture. Let me do this then. Add field. What is this field is? Bill number, right? Bill number. Fine. We are storing in a bill number variable. Similarly, we have bill account, bill account number, bill account number. And similarly, we have some variable called bill account number. Okay. This is repeated kind of stuff. So one thing is and one more last thing is we need to capture the total, right? This is the total. Here we have total. So let me capture this. Total amount or total amount. So we say it as bill amount. Okay? Right. So 5 variables. We capture all the 5 variables. Okay. Here we can see all those variables. So we'll say save. Right? Save. So if you see all the 5 variables we got, right? All the 5 variables will be got. And in future you want to add a few more variables. So again you can go and add it. Again you can go and add it.
మనం ఏదైతే వేరియబుల్స్ పాస్ చేసామో అవే హైలైట్ అవుతాయా లేకపోతే వేరే హైలైట్ అవుతాయా
ఇక్కడ మనం పాస్ చేయలేదు
యాడ్ అడ్రస్ బిల్ డేటా అని రాసాం కదా
రైట్
బిల్ డేట్ సో అది మనం ముందే క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా
రైట్
సో
yes
అవి మాత్రమే హైలైట్ అవుతాయా లేకపోతే ఏదైతే హైలైట్ అవుతాయా
అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ హైలైట్ అవుతాయి whatever the list of variables you have all the variables will be highlighted you can select which particular variable you want to assign
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ర్యాపిడ్ ఫార్ములా ఈ వేరియబుల్ ఫార్ములా రావాలి అంటే మనం ముందు మనం ఏదైతే వేరియబుల్స్ పాస్ చేసాం అది ఏదైతే తీసుకున్నామో అదే తీసుకున్నాం
right
అది కాకుండా వేరే దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ అక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ గా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు
variables అన్నారా we need to create a variable we need to create so that's why initially we created 5 variables and that 5 variables we assigned to capture ratio as a
నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా ఇవ్వాలి
again we need to create a variable we need to create a variable yes
while using VM integration, we are selecting a particular state. You can consider it as a table format or single value format.
it will take as a single value
Then it's showing table format. In insert fields, it's showing table format.
where that is Here it is a tabular format you are saying.
In the insert fields is there, no?
Yeah. Oh, this one. This one list of fields. Just is showing the list of fields, but it will give an individual value. It's not in the tabular format. Okay, just is showing the list. Because these are the list. These are the list you copied. That is field name. That is type is custom, and the field value is this one, and the selector variable is this one. So the same thing. What we are doing, right? We selected. Yes, that will be stored in the variables as a value, not as a table. Okay. We'll get as a individual value, not as a table. But this is for our reference. This is for just just they are listing out whatever you did. Just they are showing in a form of a list or table. That's it. But ideally, we'll get as an individual values. Okay, fine. So no more queries on this. Yeah, online. I don't know whether.
No, sir.
Yeah, thanks. Save it. So once we done with all the variables, we capture all the variables and we are saving now. Fine? We are saving now. So in a single line, we did everything. Okay. In a single line, we are able to open a PDF file, we are able to capture all the fields and we save. So now we can display message box again. I'm scared to do that. Yeah. Okay, let try this how message box works now. So we'll cross check whether we are able to get all the values or not. Just we want to check whether we are able to get all the values or not. Okay. So what I will do is I'll copy the entire thing. I'll copy the entire thing. I'll put over here. Okay. I'll put over here. So for every value I'll do F2. I'll do F2. This is for address. So I'm assigning address to it. Okay. I want to display address to it. And this is for bill number. Don't confuse just a makeup, it's a decoration, just how we want to see the image, that is what we are doing. Nowhere, nothing matters to the coding part. So bill date, so this is a bill date. And next one is bill number. Next one is the bill number, then F2, bill number. But I'm not sure how quick it works now, because we have issue with this message box. Right? Let me, what is this? Bill account number. Bill account number. Bill amount. Okay, we are trying to display those all the fields which we captured. Just we want to try to display all the fields which we captured. Right? All right. Multiple times of shift. Fine. So save it. Okay. Only 2 steps. Only 2 steps. We'll run it. Oh, sorry. Prior to that, we need to close this file. We need to close this file. Okay, this file is up with me. Okay, fine. See, we got all the data. Now we know how to set a data to Excel. Very pretty simple, right? We know how to set a data to Excel. So see, all the files we got, all the data we are able to fetch. Okay. Sometimes it may be scenario wherein when you try to capture some data, it may capture extra data or it may capture unwanted data. So in that case, we need to do some operations, or in that case, we need to do some logics to eliminate that. Okay. Let me wantedly do that situation, wantedly create that situation. We try to do how can we resolve that, right? We try to wantedly create that situation. So okay. So while capturing, edit, I will say edit. Okay, what we will do is I will take build date. I will take build date. I will delete this one. I will delete this one. Fine, I have deleted that one. So now I want to capture the build date. So I want to capture the build date. So what I will do is wantedly I will capture the additional information or unwanted information. Capture the unwanted information. So intentionally, I'm capturing the unwanted information. The unwanted information here is this semicolon. This is the information which we really don't need. But still I captured it. Just for creating a scenario, I'm doing this. So this is a build date. This is a build date. So again, let me run this one. Let me run this one. So here we have something called as some information which really we don't need. So we need to remove this information. We need to remove this information. Actually, this is not we are expecting. We are expecting what we are expecting. We are expecting exactly the date. Okay, exactly. We want the date, but we got something unwanted information. We need to remove this. Okay. For that, we have something called as string operations. Okay. Still, I will take one session on string operation, but as of now we came across something, right. So just to explain that, just I will explain one point in the string operations. No more questions on that. So again I will go through string operation one exclusive one session. Okay. The situation came. Just I want to explain one point. So in string operation, we have multiple multiple values. So this all works on string. This all works on the string. String means nothing but a character or the set of characters. Fine, right. So we have something called as find. We have something called as find or replace, replace, replace. Okay. So you need to pass the source on which string you want to do this operation, which is the string on which string you want to do this operation. What is the string is build date, right? Build date. On build date I got unwanted data, so I want to remove that one. So I will select build date. First I want to do this operation on build date, so it will select the build date. So what you want to do, I want to find something called as this one, space, right? This is how it is, right? Space. Then what do you want to replace it with? I want to replace it with nothing. Fine. After doing this operation, where I want to store the result back? Where I want to store the result back? So I want to store result back on the same variable. I don't want to create again multiple variables for this. So I want to store result back to the same variable. Okay. Clear? So boss, I got some unwanted data on build date. So I want to remove those build date. So that unwanted data. So for that I'm going for string operation. So I mentioned which is a which is a source string. What you want to do? I want to find this one. After finding what you want to do, I want to replace it with nothing. After removing that, where you want to store the result? Where you want to store the result? I said I want to store the result in same variable. So it will replace. It will replace with new variable or new value. It will replace with new value. So that is the whole story of this window. Right? We'll see this one again when we exclusive talk about the string operation. These all options. But as of now, just remember this one. Okay. As of now, just remember this one. Okay? Right. So after doing operation, we need to display it, right? After doing that operation, we want the actual data to be displayed. After doing that entire operation, we want the actual data to be displayed. Right, save it. So let me close this. Let me close this one. Let me close this. This is anyhow. This is not the PDF we are working on. Okay, let it be. So the here one condition is the PDF which is you are working on, that should be closed. That should not be opened. Okay, if that is open, then it throws an error. So to avoid that, we need to write one condition whether the PDF is opened or not. If open, close it. Okay, that we'll see. Well, we'll see when we write the conditions of closing windows, closing files, closing existing PDFs or whatever existing resources. How to close it? How to check the conditions based on the condition? How we can close those particular resource? That we'll talk further in further classes. Okay. Fine. So we'll run this one. We'll run this one. See, now you can't see this double quotes. See double quote, yeah. So you can't see this one. So we are able to filter the data, or we are able to we are able to remove the unwanted data, and we are able to get what exactly we are expecting, right? See, this is done. So this is how we'll do with the string operation. If you are trying to, yeah, if you are trying to capture any kind of stuff or any value, if you get unwanted data, so this is the operation. String operation is the one which will help for us, right? Which will do the job for us. Okay. So this is what. Uh, yeah, only one line of code, only one line of code. This. So now question. Okay, let me hello, just for someone asking me some questions. So let me answer for that first. Yeah. So first question is, sir, but how to? Yeah, exactly. Shiva, exactly, Shiva. Just I'm about to talk about that. For how to go for multiple PDFs. Yeah, that is there. I will discuss on that. I will discuss on that. Multiple PDF data to variables. I will discuss on that multiple PDF data. How can we separate? Okay. So, Pritham, that can be done again string operations. So, so as of now, I don't want to touch in the string operation. Um, there is something called as in string operation. We have multiple options, right? So we need to use any of these options to get exactly what data we want. Okay. So if you're talking about the name, we need to figure out how much character is there. Yeah, how much character that name holds. Or after name, after name, what is the length of the string? Or all stuff, all such kind of stuffs. We need to calculate and we need to get exactly name out of it. Okay. Or else you can directly capture the name as well. You can directly capture the name as well. Still, if you are not able to do that, then you can write a lot of logic can be placed over there. So that problem will be solved by the string operation only. You can find the solution in the string operation. So that is workaround kind of stuff. So yeah, when we start with the string operation part, then you will get an idea exactly how to work on that particular scenario. Fine. So yeah, so exactly the question is, what if there are multiple PDF files? What if there are multiple PDF files? So here one PDF file we are able to capture, one PDF file, 5 fields, one PDF file, 5 fields. So 5 fields we are able to capture and we are able to display. That is fine. What if we have 100 fields? Sorry, 100 100 PDF files, 100 into 5, 500 captures. Okay. So how can we solve the problem? So 100 PDF files. So we need to open each and every PDF file. We need to capture that particular field. Is that works? No, right? For 100 PDF files, 500 fields you need to capture. That will not work. So for that we have something called as, we can loop the PDF file. We can loop if you do if you write solution for one PDF file, we can loop this PDF file. We can loop this PDF file and we can pass the next PDF. What are the list of PDF we have? We can pass to our robo. Robo will fetch the data. Will set it to an Excel. So that's why I'm talking about the Excel, because we will need to set each and every value to Excel. Okay. If there are 100 PDF files, first it will open. Robo will open the first PDF file. It gets the five fields and will set it to Excel. Then Robo will go for next PDF file, open its 5 fields, set it to Excel. So this is a repeating process, right? This is the repeating process. So what we do is we put it in a loop. We'll put it in a loop, so Robo will take care. Okay. We no need to go each and every PDF file, and we no need to open each and every PDF file. We need to capture each and every field.
But the things should be the same.
Right, right. The condition here is the PDF format should be same. Okay. If you're talking about Reliance bill, telephone bill, so I think the Reliance telephone bill, the PDF format will be same for all the months. right? For all the customers. When you go for some other telephone bill, it might be different. In that case, again, we need to go for some other solution, or we need to code fresh. Okay. So here only the one condition is the bill should be in a fixed format. The bill should be in a the PDF file should be in a fixed format. So only one that condition is enough for Robo to do the job. Okay. If that condition is fixed, if that format is fixed, the Robo can iterate all the PDF through 100 PDFs and will get all the 500 fields and is set to the Excel file. Okay. So it's a Robo, right? It's a Robo. Robo should have some fixed point to start. So something should be fixed. Okay, something should be fixed. So here PDF template should be fixed. PDF template should be fixed. Yeah. So any more queries? Any more queries?
Rashekar, instead of doing this message box, can we print that data in Excel? Is that
Yes,
possible?
yes, it is possible. It is quite possible. So in next class we'll look into multiple PDFs and we'll put a data in a Excel format, Excel file. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
we'll do one use case on that. What we do is we'll get a data from 100 PDFs or whatever the number is, and we'll fetch each and every field or every value and we'll put it in an Excel. That is possible. So that's why I show you this diagram, right? PDF to Excel. So we are doing this one, PDF to Excel, right? PDF to Excel communication or PDF to Excel, setting. So this is the plan. So this is so. I hope everyone is good on this. Okay. Let me. Shall we document or we'll go in next class? We'll go in next class. We'll document it. Okay. Okay. Let me document. Let me document the commands what we used. Let me document the commands what we used. One command is PDF integrator. Okay. Commands used. Commands used. One command is PDF integrator. Integration. One command is PDF. Of course, it's a super command. We can say is a main command or super command. In that we have something called as what we have. We have something called as yeah. In a PDF integrator, we have something called as extract form fields. Okay. We have option called as extract form fields. Hey, listen. We have option called as extract form fields. Okay, this is one command. This is one command. Apart from we use string operation. Of course, we really didn't go in detail with the string operation, but as of now, just an FII, just put it in a just note it. String operation. Inside the string operation, we have something called as. Hold on. Yes, please. Inside the string operation, we have something called as find. Oh, sorry, replace. We use replace. Inside the string operation, we used option called as replace is one option. Replace, yeah, replace. This is one thing. So what else we used? Of course, message box. Of course, inside replace again, there are multiple options which we need to check. That is fine. Okay. So these are the major commands we used to solve that the above to achieve these three steps, right? To achieve these three steps. These are the major commands we used. Of course, we have something called as message box, but anyhow, we are using message box throughout all the use cases. So I don't want to document here, but yes. So to achieve these steps, these 5 steps, we are using these commands. We are using these commands. Yeah, file save yes. Yes. So these are the commands we are using. These are commands we are using, right? So I hope it is pretty clear. So our next target would be the, as Pritam asked about some of the, one of the raised one question is 100 files, 100 PDF files, how we will do this? Okay. We'll see in next class, and we also get the data. We also set to data to the Excel sheet. So that is one full full scenario as we planned this one, right? We can cover this scenario. Okay. Right. So anything else online? Any queries? Yeah.